Did you know that falcons can fly at speeds of over 240 miles per hour? But here's the kicker. The fastest falcon ever recorded was actually a phantom. In 2005, a peregrine falcon named Frightful was clocked at an astonishing 242 mph during a dive. This speed was so incredible that scientists initially thought it was a mistake. Frightful's record-breaking dive was verified using high-tech equipment, making her the fastest creature on Earth. This unexpected fact shows just how amazing nature can be. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.